Hello everyone. Today, we're presenting the installation demonstration video for Dazuma's elegant spherical LED bollard light. The package includes one large accessory bag. It includes 2 screw anchors, 2 long mounting screws, 1 ceiling canopy, and 3 sets of fasteners for securing the suspension steel cables to the ceiling canopy. 3 suspension steel cables and 1 suspension power cable. 1 Minimalist round metal pendant ceiling light. Step 1. Place the ceiling canopy on the area of the ceiling where you plan to install the product. Mark the hole positions, then drill the holes. Step 2. Install the 3 sets of suspension cable fasteners onto the product's ceiling canopy one by one. Step 3. Thread the end of each of the 3 suspension cables without the locking connector through the 3 suspension cable fasteners on the ceiling canopy. Step 4. Use an electric drill to drill holes at the 2 marked points from Step 1. Step 5. Insert the 2 screw anchors into the 2 drilled holes. Step 6. Connect your own push-in quick wire connectors to your supply wires. Step 7. Connect one end of the product's suspension cable wires to your own push-in quick wire connectors. Step 8. Fully pass the other end of the product's suspension power cable through the center hole of the ceiling canopy. Step 9. Attach the ceiling canopy to the ceiling, making sure the 2 holes on the canopy align with the 2 screw anchors in the ceiling. Then insert the 2 long mounting screws through the 2 canopy holes and secure them into the screw anchors. Step 10. Connect the locking connector end of each of the 3 suspension cables into the 3 locking slots on the back of the light fixture. Step 11. Connect your own push-in quick wire connectors to one end of the product's suspension power cable. Step 12. Connect the power wires on the back of the light fixture to the other end of the push-in quick wire connectors connected in Step 11. The product installation is now complete. Dazuma, your dedicated partner in professional lighting.